Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are back out on the shooting range with another good video for you guys. We got some awesome rounds today sent to us to try out on this. So what we're going to do today is we got this different types of body armor here. We have this military grade. These are side SAPI plates, and you know what military grade means. Lowest bidder. I mean, best quality stuff you can get. So this is ceramic here. We also have this level 3 steel, and then we also have this level 3 AR 500 side plate as well. And we're going to try some different things for you guys. So here are the rounds we got for you guys today. We got these awesome M995s right here. These are saboed in a 308. Now these things usually in a 5.56 round, which we shot. You can check out this video here. It did not go through a level 4 ceramic plate. However, these are saboed in 308, so these got to be worth, I guess, at least $125 a piece. Well, we got a couple of them, thank God. And we also have the M993s. These are tungsten core 308 AP rounds. So we're going to try to see the difference of how each of these rounds do on the level 3. We also have this mild plate back here. We're pretty sure all of these rounds are going to blow through this super thin level 3 stuff, and we want to see how far these tungsten cores will penetrate then on this soft armor back here. But then again, we're going to try them on the level 4 and see if these saboed M995 rounds will actually go through level 4. If they do, well, we're going to double them up, and we'll do something with this. Haven't figured it out yet. Might put both of these together and see if one of these saboed M995 rounds will go through, both of these level 3 plates. Well, we got a chronograph set up so we can see the speed of these things as well. They're supposed to be about, the guy told us these were tested at about 4,000 feet per second. Now, speed is the winner of any armor, doesn't matter. So we're all set up. Let's send it, Justin.
All right, so it's time for the M993 tungsten core 308. We're not too far back. We're only about 15 yards. Hopefully these travel straight as compared to our ball rounds that we're using to 0. I'm gonna send it. I just hope I don't get any spalling in my face. Okay, I'm alive. Nothing hit me in the face. We're good. Clear.
Okay, this did something we did not expect at all. So hit right above where he had the target. It blew right through this. This is like 1/4 inch AR 500. Blew right through that. Now, if you look at this shot here, looks like it just, you know, went in there fairly far, but not all the way. This is 1/2 inch mild steel, but check this out. It went all the way through and into our sandbag. So that was a lot more powerful than we expected out of the M993. Crazy. All right, we are going to, now we know that the M995, if the M993 did this, and that was 3,000 feet per second, we'll see what the M995 saboed does, but we're gonna put another piece of armor. It has some holes in it, but we're gonna put it behind this steel and see what happens with that. Let's do it.
All right, so now it's time for the M995 saboed into a 308. This should be really interesting. You guys should mention in the comments how fast you think it'll go. I'm gonna guesstimate 4,000, but that's just basically what Chris said. But from our past experience with similar ones that we've had, it was right around there. I just hope the Sabo doesn't peel off and smack our chronograph or our GoPro or the other camera. Pop a hole in this steel. Huh. That was kind of scary. Clear.
All right, so that was a little disappointing. The chronograph did not capture the speed of that round, so we don't know how fast it was going. It did blow through this thing, no problem. I'm thinking it looks like it's stabilized. This one definitely did. This one here, not quite sure. But you can see, blew right through it. However, it hit right here and didn't even dent the back of this. No bulge, no nothing. We put this other plate up here because we were expecting that thing to rip through. Again, that was the M993, M995 down here, Sabode 308, nothing. So we're gonna get this one set up. We're gonna do the level 4. We're just gonna leave this plate. We're gonna put this one back behind this and see if anything will make it all the way through. I don't think so, but let's try it. Here we go.
Science.
Science! He pissed me off with science.
Nailed it. So that was really surprising about that Sabode round. And by my calibrated eye, it was 4,100 exactly. But so now with these SAPI plates, you know, I want to say it's going to go through, but you know, who knows? That's why we are scientists. That's why we do this. All right, I'm gonna try to hit him right on the strike face. Here we go. Nah, I was a little off. I definitely heard steel. I'm pretty sure I popped right through it.
We have never shot one of these military SAPI plates. It looks like there's freaking metal in it. Check that out. Apparently there is. It's soft. Well, not really. So, very interesting. I have to talk to my buddy over at Buffman Range. He is the king of shooting anything body armor. That's for you, Buffman. Here's the back. Yeah, check that out. This is weird. I'm probably gonna die now from something. That thing smacked hard on the back, but not enough to penetrate it. That little ding was there. I'm not sure about these other little pieces. Again, that was the M995, the first round we shot, so that was not it.
It did not go through at all?
It did not go through.
Wow.
But that is interesting. You know, that would hurt like a son of a gun too. But so cool. Yeah, gonna have to definitely hit up Buffman Range and ask him, what is this? We'll have to tear these apart too, because I don't know.
We can use a new bandsaw.
Justin got a new bandsaw. Okay, so we don't have you guys say, oh, it's compromised, blah, blah, blah. We got another one. Now, hopefully, the stupid chronograph will catch this one because we really want to know how fast these M995s are going. So here we go. Another one up. Let's do it. It's just strange. I don't understand. But I don't want to breathe it either.
Sniff it.
Not gonna do it. Not prudent.
It's weird. Jagged.
This is weird. Check
It's
out
a
the
fun shape.
Yeah. Crazy, man.
All right, next up is the M995 Saboded.
Hey,
And
you need to stop throwing these on the ground. You're ticking people off, and you're getting things dirty. All right?
Get from here. I need another mag now. The rest of them are all on the ground.
Where is
Aha.
Maggie?
We're good.
We're good, yeah!
Yeah, I'll throw the mags if I want to. Shut up! Shake the dirt out of there. All right, what were we doing again? All right, sabot round, SAPI plate. All right, here we go. Let's punch some holes. Yeah. That one was right on.
All right, that was a little disappointing on that. So the chronograph finally picked it up. As you guys saw, that was 3463 feet per second, which is about 500 feet per second slower than the M993. So,
Faster.
Did I do it backwards again?
Yes. You know what? This is the video now. Keep going.
Whatever. Like Justin said, the other way around, because Doofus here is having a senior moment. Okay, so the M995 went about 500 feet faster per second than the M993. This one went 3,463 feet per second. The other one went right about 3,000 feet per second, but it didn't go 4,000 feet per second like we were hoping. It did still put a little smaller hole. Don't worry, Justin, you don't have to, I'm not gonna hit you yet. So here's a comparison. Now this is a smaller piece of tungsten. I thought it would actually blow through, but it looks like on the back, this one didn't mess up the tape or anything here, but the M993, it looked like it hit with a lot more force. Bigger round, more tungsten, slower, but seemed to do more damage. And again, these, got to talk to Buffman, see what these things are made out of. Pretty cool. Nothing. It just kind of turned into dust. You know, tungsten is kind of brittle once it hits something hard like this. I mean, there's some jacket here, but that's no telling what that one was from. Okay, so what we're going to do is we got another M993. We're just going to put both of these plates together here and see what those things will do if Justin hits right here on top, just as a bonus round for you guys. So let's do it.
All right, so change of plans. Completely forgot we had an actual 308 slap round, so that it's solid tungsten penetrator. You guys got to check this out. They're absolutely beautiful. So that's a solid tungsten penetrator, and we're going to shoot the stacked plates. Yeah, we know they're compromised. There's a hole there, but the top of the plates are pretty dang solid. So it'll still give us a good idea what kind of penetration power these things really have. I'm hopeful it'll make their both, but we're gonna find out together.
Science!
Someone needs to send me a lab coat. Hint, hint, Chris. I'm gonna hit it right in the cleaning instructions if it travels straight enough. Oh, dang. I think it did some damage. I'm excited about that.
That was not a disappointing round. As you guys saw there, that was almost 4,000 feet per second, which was faster than the other two rounds. Yay, I got it right. Okay, yay. No geriatric moments here. Let's check this out. So, blew right through the first plate. Whoa, that is amazing. Holy cow, it almost made it through both plates, Justin. Jeez. What is this? Some black ceramic. Never seen that before. Huh. That's all right. Buffman will he'll let us know. Dang. There is the entrance. Tiny little hole compared to the other two. Much faster. That was amazing. blew right through the back. And okay, more of this stuff exposed, so there is some kind of a metal plate here. That is cool. I can't wait to do some dissectionist on this.
Has a good smell.
I ain't gonna sniff it. Not gonna do it, not prudent. There you go. So those M995 Sabot and 308, they went a little faster than the M993, about 500 feet per second faster. The M993 seemed to perform better than it. Why, I don't know. There's a lot of you guys who are awesome at ballistics and stuff, so let us know why the faster, smaller tungsten round kind of performed worse than the bigger, slower tungsten round. Now, of course, the true 308 Sabot round, that's just the king of those 308 rounds for sure. Slap round. See, this is the best time to get Justin because his hands are up.
Yep.
It's all exposed.
Right in the coin purse.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers. Hopefully a lot faster than 4 years, you know, maybe end of the month. Hey, it's possible. But we're trying to hit the 200,000 mark. We thank you guys for all your support. We really appreciate you guys. We'll be back.